There's Dad. Getting ready to go see the new baby in the family. I don't know its name. Here we are at the residence of the new family member. Okay, Mike's calling the dog. There it is. The new member of the family. Come here. Come here, little puppy. Aw, cute little doggy. Come here. Come here, Max. Come here. Come on. Come on. Aw, little Max. I think he likes me. How you doing? Oh, he's so little. He's so little. What a cute little puppy. Is he gonna pee on me?
I just went to the bathroom. How come you're all dressed up?
I just got back from New Jersey.
Alright.
Here.
Is it on?
I don't know.
A little red.
It's on.
Yeah.
Look at the new puppy.
Hi, Bruce.
Hi.
How are you?
Well, what do you think of the new dog?
Huh?
Come here. What you eating? You're eating a feather. Come here.
Hi, Max.
Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Cute.
You look drunk. You look drunk. There's Dad. Oh, you're a sweet little dog. Any tricks yet?
Try to stop making from the making in the house. That's sticking on.
The first trick to teach Max. Well, there you go. For
Max.
future reference, you can say, this is what Max used to look like.
Max.
Oh, does he know my
Going to
dad
say hi
is?
to Uncle David.
Yeah.
Sure he knows his uncle.
Sure. Max. Max. Here. I want to see him run. Run. He looks like he just ate.
Yeah, he did.
He got
Just
the little pop belly. He got the little belly. Look at the belly. Aww.
Max. What's the little square mean? Little square with a dash through it.
Oh, that means no battery.
Uh-uh.
Okay. Battery's running out.
Batteries run out.
We'll be back in a year to see how big Max got.